Hey, knowledge lovers! The music industry has changed forever. You no longer need a record label, a $1 million studio, or a guy in a suit telling you what to sing to build a career. You just need the skills to do it yourself. But DIY doesn't mean amateur. It means taking control of your art with professional precision. That is why today, we're tuning into the DIY Musician Specialization on Coursera. This program is brought to you by the legendary Berklee College of Music. Yes, the same place that produced Quincy Jones and John Mayer. It is completely online, meaning you can learn the secrets of the music business from any country in the world. And yes, it includes its respective certification to prove you have the chops. And as always, the link to access this course is in the video description. Let's dive in. The Art of Songwriting and Identity. This specialization starts where all great music starts, the song. It isn't enough to just have a cool beat. You need to write something that matters. You will learn the tools and techniques to write more compelling songs, focusing on prosody, the marriage of lyrics and music to support a central emotion. But a great song needs a great artist behind it. One of the most unique aspects of this course is its focus on artist identity. You will work to develop your identity and vision, figuring out exactly who you are as an artist and what your brand stands for. In a crowded market, having a distinct sonic signature and a clear visual brand is the difference between being a hobbyist and being a professional. Production and the industry standard. Once the song is written, you have to get it out of your head and into the speakers. This specialization gives you practical training in Pro Tools, the industry-standard digital audio workstation, or DAW, used in professional studios around the globe. You aren't just dragging and dropping loops, you are learning to record real audio. You will dive into the technical side of production, learning to use EQ to carve out space in a mix, compression to glue it all together, and reverb to create depth. You will record your own original music using real instruments and MIDI, gaining the technical literacy to communicate with audio engineers, or, better yet, produce your own tracks from start to finish. Remember that if you're interested in the course, you'll find the link with the best price in the video description. The business of being you. Finally, the course tackles the part most artists ignore, the business. It's called the DIY Musician for a reason. You will learn strategies to plan, launch, and manage a successful crowdfunding campaign. This is crucial for funding your first album or tour without going into debt. The Applied Learning Project brings it all together. You won't just take a quiz, you will write, record, and produce an actual original song. You will also create a short business plan that outlines your web presence and potential brand partnerships. It effectively forces you to launch your career during the course. My honest opinion. So, is this specialization worth your time? If you are a musician sitting in your bedroom waiting to be discovered, stop waiting and take this course. It is Berklee College of Music education for a fraction of the tuition. It balances the creative with the technical and the practical, which is a rare combination. It gives you the roadmap to stop dreaming and start releasing. Now, you could pay for this specialization individually, but here's the smartest way to do it. I highly recommend acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription. Instead of a one-time payment for just this music program, Coursera Plus gives you unlimited access to this course and more than 7,000 other courses. You can master music production today and then take a course on digital marketing or graphic design to help your band tomorrow, all for one monthly or annual fee. It is the best investment you can make in your music career. The link with the best price is right down there in the description. Until next time, knowledge lovers.